Boy Shadow Racer here with Little Shadow.
Hello.
And today we're going to be unboxing my first Mini Z, the
Toyota AE86.
That's right. It's also known as the Toyota
Trueno.
and the Corolla. So without further ado, here we go. Let's crack this bad boy open.
I think this is how you open it. There we go. There.
Savage style.
It's the fastest way to do things.
Alright, so same as the regular Z's. Looks like you got a couple of screws down there holding the chassis in.
Only one.
Ah, only one, even better.
Then there's this around the actual car. There. Okay, then you got the car. There's still this piece though.
Alright, I'm sure that's got to come off somehow. There you go.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so this is the actual car.
It's got the initial D Fujiwara Tofu Shop sticker on the door like in the anime. And what do we got here? Looks like
Something that's taped in really well. Okay, oh, here we are.
alright, so we got some stuff here. Looks like a little brochure, Kyosho. We got the instruction manuals.
We got the controller, remote.
Crack that open. Let's show everybody that one.
Okay.
Alright, this one looks very toy grade, but what's cool about it is this little LCD screen here. Actually, it's a little stopwatch, so you can do your little time runs.
Yep. We got
And
the cones, which are really big for some reason.
Wow, we have some huge cones. Looks like the battery clip and the wheel nut.
Yep.
And
Wow.
that's about it. That's all you get. So not a lot, but it's a fun little toy, it looks like. The body is compatible with regular Mini Z's. Let's take this body off and see the chassis. Alright, so it's pretty basic looking. There's your motor in the back. Everything's all sealed off. It takes 2 AA's, unlike the other Mini Z's with 4 AA's. But looks like the wheels are compatible, and like I said, this is also compatible with the other auto scale bodies. So just wanted to bring that unboxing for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.